Graham, you ready for some cake?
Can he balance the bone on his nose without eating it?
I doubt it. Norman, don't be scared of the cake.
Come here, Normie. What's this?
All right.
Normie, come here.
Here we go. We cut it.
What's this, Normie?
Let's see.
Normie, come here.
This piece is for
Here,
Graham.
Graham. Look, Graham.
This piece is for Norman.
Come here. Feet up.
This piece is
Feet
gonna
up.
go.
There you go. Get the picture.
Graham. Get it, Graham. What is it? Good boy. Good boy. Normie, come get your cake. Come here, Norman. Here. Come try
Give
it.
it to him in the bedroom.
Here, try it. What is it? Here, Graham.
Umber, no.
Graham,
Bed.
here's your cake. There's your cake. Go ahead, boys. Birthday cake. Oh, Graham's digging in. Go, boy. Norman, eat the cake. Don't be scared of it.
Is he scared of it?
Oh, look at his whole body posture. Eat the cake. Eat the cake. You want me to feed it to you? Come here. You gotta have part of your cake. Come on.
He's scared of it.
Yeah, here you go. Eat the cake. Good boy. Take it 10 years to eat it. Come on. Okay. Do you want that part of the cake? Good boy. Come on, Norman. What do you do with it? Come on, Norman.
Here. Feed it to him. Let's take a picture of you feeding it to him.
It's video.
Oh.
You can get Graham. Damn, Graham's. Oh no, we said turn down. Here, Norman. Here you go. Have some cake. Here, take it all. Here, have it. There you go.
Umber, no.
Eat it. Norman, here. Eat it. No. Norman, here. You want it? You want some, Norman? Here. Norman, here. Yay.
Graham going. There you go, Graham going to town.